IP44 Marine Grade. This pair of marine speakers are completely waterproof for water-based automobile and off-road vehicle use. They have a waterproof rating of IP44 to withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. 150 watts power. The audio speakers have a full-range stereo sound reproduction for a complete speaker system. The power output is 75 Watt RMS up to 150 Watt peak. It has a frequency response of 45 Hz to 16 kHz and a magnet structure of 20 ounces. Weather resistant. These are a set of weather-resistant speaker made of rugged and durable materials. Has an engineered ABS housing construction, dual polypropylene cone, cloth surround, molded ABS machined basket and grille to combat sun damage. Camouflage design. To add sophistication to your vehicle, the speakers are designed with a camouflage hunting pattern style. The entire structure is completed with a 1.0 aluminum voice coil to resist overheating and 4 ohm impedance. 6.5 inches standard size. The low-profile design makes them easy to install with 6.5-inch standard size, 9.8 feet wirings and mounting hardware. It has a universal standard OEM replacement size with a mounting depth of 2.48, and cutout size of 5.2. Top reviews from the United States. Nice speakers. Great replacement speakers for our RV. Looks great and sounds great. Easy to install.